know that feeling when you just have to touch it?
Ben and Bunny wiggle hands in motion. Blocks go flying, slow-mo explosion. Brooklyn Bear, tears in her eyes. Benny froze, can't believe the surprise. Oops, game over, sadness in the air. Crash with the tower, whoa, beware. Benny reaches, but Brooklyn turns. Feelings get hurt, lesson learned. Hands that touch without asking can ruin the fun. Leave hearts crashing, cancel yourself, that's the key. Give yourself a hug, set your friends free. Fix the blocks, smiles back in sight. Keep the fun going, do it right.